Get your customers up to speed. When it comes to e-commerce optimization, every second counts. Regardless of how good a store looks, speed is what matters, and slow web stores consistently produce lower conversion rates than a store that loads quickly. Each second that delays a page's load times results in 11% loss of page views and a 7% reduction in conversions. As your customers' conversion rates increase, so does your book of business, which means more renewals, expanded campaigns, and new business. Not only does every second spent loading decreases page views and conversions, but Google will lower a website's ranking if the first byte load time is more than half a second. Proper mobile optimization is just as important, if not more. Over 60% of today's internet traffic comes from mobile devices, and 64% of those users expect each page to load in 4 seconds or less. If it does not, they simply move on to the competition. Poor optimization doesn't just affect new customers either, as 79% of customers who have purchased something from a website with poor performance are less likely to buy something again. Simply enter URL of your store below to run the mobile and speed test and see the ways to improve. Good luck and happy optimizing!